Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Looking for a Mo Better boat? Welcome to Mucho Mo Better, a 1999 Tiara 43 convertible. This 1999 Tiara 43 convertible has had 2 owners since put into service, brand new. It has exclusively been used in the Great Lakes and has been very well maintained. This vessel is powered by twin Caterpillar 3196 diesel inboards with approximately 800 hours on it, and has been maintained to the highest standards. Current owner has just been doing preventative maintenance with some hoses and stuff like that. And as you can see, somewhat of a time capsule. The boat is in exceptional condition. Very large galley, convection microwave, double sink, tons of storage, built-in coffee maker, and lots of entertaining. This boat features the standard floor plan, which is a 2 stateroom, 2 head configuration. We have a starboard side bunk room with its own separate head. This would be the day head. We have a storage closet here. Master forward, of course. We've got storage behind all of these panels. Hanging closet here. Hanging closet here. Rigid door for privacy. And a separate head and shower. Up to the bridge. Okay, before we go up to the bridge, I thought it important to point out that this boat is equipped with a chill box and ice maker. There's a separate bait prep area right here with a sink. And then over here we have engine access. And up to the bridge. One thing you'll notice is that it does have a ladder going up. The beauty of this ladder is that it is canted, it's not vertical, so it's fairly easy to get up here. We have full instrumentation, Caterpillar diagnostics with LED, radar chart plotter GPS, newer version Raymarine hybrid touch, autopilot, tri-data system, VHF radio, separate fish locator, and stereo. And if you'll notice, there is a hardtop that is not canvas. For more information on Mucho Mo Better, please contact Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.